This is the Elgato. I'm gonna do an unboxing that already happened. Okay.
He's a phony. It's already been unboxed. He's a phony.
I know it's already been unboxed. It's just a faggot talking. That's alright, guys. See, it works for next gen, like a fag. And here's the back, like a fag. Yep, we already use this. We already use this like a fag. Everything's a fag to me now.
You actually want to put that on YouTube, really?
Yes. Got a problem with that? Here's this, and when you open it, someone lost the manual. His name is Silent Ninja on YouTube. Little faggot. Okay, now here's this. Looks like a big black. Never mind. Yeah. Game capture. And AVN out. USB. Put that aside. Open this. See? You can tell it's already been opened because all this crap has HDMI crap in it. Yep. Like a stupid black bar. I mean, stupid bars. That's all.